Good morning, guys. Today we are gonna take an overnight trip down to the Batangas province. We're going somewhere that I wasn't anticipating on going because right before leaving for the Philippines, my Kiwi colleagues were like, yeah, there's a volcano that just erupted in the Philippines. I hope that your family is okay. I'm like, I don't have any family that lives near the Taal volcano. But I think, you know, everything's gonna be all right. So it turns out we're actually gonna be going down there today to check it out. The volcanic eruption happened on the 12th of January 2020, so today we're the 22nd of February. So it's been more than a month, and allegedly everything's kind of toned down, everything's cooled down, the relief has been taken care of, everything's good down at Taal volcano. And if anything, I think this might be the best time to visit the volcano. The last time the volcano erupted was in 1977, so it's been 44 years since you know, this volcano's erupted. So I'm a little nervous. But my wife's dad is also extremely paranoid. So for him to say that it's okay to go down to the volcano, I trust his judgment. Yeah, we're gonna look at the volcano. Doggy, we're going now. Got my GoPro water. We're good to go. Alright, let's go, guys.
Mi gato se está quejando que no puede vacilar, si donde quiera que se mete.
So we have a quick stopover in Manila on the way to Tagaytay. So we figured, hey, Intramuros is literally a block away, so we're gonna check out Intramuros quickly before we get back on the road. Intramuros.
This is my first time.
Yeah.
I always go around here with car.
You want to go in the church?
Not here.
You want to go?
Okay, let's check out the church. I love the beautiful views of Intramuros. Oh, you want to get coffee?
Yeah, but let's walk first.
Okay. Alright, let's continue exploring Intramuros. We just switched over from concrete to cobblestone. It's like unmistakably Spanish, just from the look of everything. Casa Manila. Alright, we're gonna check out Casa Manila. The Manila house, right?
Want cafe?
Or beer? Oh no. Wait, you're driving. What's langka?
Yeah, grass.
Grass.
Ice cream grass.
That looks tasty. I'll get the grass flavored one. So far the Philippines is the only place I know where you can get cheese ice cream. Of course Ling would get it.
Yeah, why not? Cheese ice cream. Cheese in ice cream is delicious.
Cheese. Queso. Alright, so we just cooled off at the hottest point of the day out here in Manila with some good ass ice cream. That was Casa Manila. We didn't get a chance to explore the museum, but there's a free museum, so if ever you're here, actually no, it's not free. I think it's like 75 pesos to go in, but you can still walk around for free right here in the middle of Intramuros. But we gotta head back now. In the Philippines, it's not unusual to have an umbrella out on a bright sunny day. You could call it a sunbrella, but people won't look at you weird because I just keep passing by sunbrellas. Oh my god, look at these folks. They're just like totally cool with everything. those lines on the road don't mean anything as a pedestrian. It means nothing. You just gotta commit and momentum. That's how you get across the street safely in Manila. Like this just makes me nervous. Oh damn. Alright, just keep going. Keep going. Walk. It's a lot of trust that you put. You can't speed up, you can't slow down. You just have to keep going straight and then no one will hit you. Just arrived in Tagaytay at our friend's house. Beautiful house. Unfortunately, we got here a bit too late. The sun sets early in the northern hemisphere, so by 6:30 it was pitch black when we arrived in Tagaytay, so we didn't have a chance to check out the mountain. Tomorrow we're gonna see the volcano.
Bilis! Ah!
Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
So after a productive night of Jose Cuervo and Johnny Walker Black and karaoke, is this not the most top of the line? This is like the Ferrari of karaoke magic microphones.
Son of a bitch!
That 90. You got it? It was a 99. Just FYI, 99. We've woken up this morning. It's a fresh new day. We've packed up the things and we are heading over to Taal Volcano. We're gonna try to get a really good vantage, get as close as we can to the mountain, the volcano. I hope it doesn't erupt. That's all that I'm hoping for. They cleaned it up good here, but you know, just a month ago, all of this area was covered in volcanic ash. And actually, if you look on the side of the roads, you could see ash lining up. They've swept it to the side, but you can see there's still volcanic ash lining the sides of the streets. I guess he's trying to sell us stuff.
Alam mo, itong bukayo na puti, masarap
I guess.
yan. Oh, yung may brown sugar.
He wants,
puti dyan.
he wants to show you his wares, Ling.
Pakumbong puti.
Ling, on your left, on your
I
left.
know. I don't want to look because then he might think I'm interested.
Tatlo isandaan.
What is that? What's he buying? Ano yan? Oh, this is like a coconut.
You need 100?
Wow, tignan mo ito. Buko peanut brittle nut. Let's try this. Like that. I think this is a specialty here in Tagaytay. It's really sweet. It's like fudge, but with buko. Really sweet. Still see the smoke. Yeah, forget MAGA. If Canada is already great.
I almost got hit by this car. He was just backing up and didn't even check.
I bought it online. Amazon.
Oh yeah?
Amazon.
I need to cop one of those. We're gonna check out the view. Oh, there it is. That's the money shot right there. Look at that. So that middle, that's where the actual volcano. You can still see volcanic ash on the rooftops of some of these houses that are nearby. I don't know if they left it there on purpose or just for the tourists to take pictures. Yeah, it's like everyone's here because they know that the volcano just erupted.
Wow.
And there's still like a volcanic ash cloud just hanging above. It's still smoking. It's like gray. It looks dusty over there.
Wow.
much volcanic ash. Volcanic ash all up in there. There it is. Still remnants of that January 14 eruption. More ash. I thought I was ashy. We're gonna do a quick walk to a better vantage point. It's so windy up there, and Ling picked the worst day to wear a dress. So that's the furthest we can go. Blocked off over there. Probably still cleaning up that mess. But man, the ash is hanging heavy over that tall volcano.